Namaskar. I am Ajinkya and I welcome you to the fourth episode of our Sri Lanka travel series. First episode was about Colombo, second was about Jaffna, third was about Anuradhapuram, and the fourth episode is about Sigiriya. Sigiriya is located in the central province of Sri Lanka.
Now I have hopped into a bus to Dambullya. It is an intercity bus shuttle service which you will get from old bus stand Anuradhapura, and it will cost me around 220 rupees. So this is the most economical and comfortable way to go to Dambullya. It's near about 100 kilometers from here. Right now I've reached my hostel in Dambullya. It's called the Bed Station Hostel. So let me take you around. So this property is run by a family. So it has this homely feeling which I am enjoying a lot. This is the dining area and the common area. This is the living room, and this place is also accessible for the people who stay in hostel. Hey, this is the dormitory over here with decent toilets. So this is the overall condition of the hostel. I'll have some food and we'll go out and explore. I'm going to the market. Okay. Thank you, sir. So I'm into the market, and as always I'm looking for some local food. I've heard about this dish. It's called kuttu, and we are going to have it. We'll see how it gets prepared. देखते हैं अभी कैसा बनता है तो kuttu. ऐसा लग रहा था I was watching a martial artist. You do kung fu. You do kung fu.
Yes.
Okay. Shaolin. I've observed this thing in Sri Lanka that even in small restaurants, whenever they bring a plate or a cup, they bring filled with hot water. I asked them what is the reason. They said the reason is because hot water is antibacterial. जैसे कि अभी cup they bought and cup and spoons, and this water is hot. So this is a nice practice. And now the kuttu is ready. Let me have some without wasting any of my time. It's really nice, simple, and up to the mark. I'll get back to you after a while. am at the local food shop right now, so we'll try some local fruits. Let me introduce you to some local fruits right away. This fruit right here is gadukuta. It's nice, it's juicy, थोड़ा jelly सा है अंदर से. It's good. Which is this one?
Gross apple.
Like this? Okay. Eat it. So this is gross apple. This is, I will say, this is a mixture of apple and watermelon. Yeah, it's nice. थोड़ा फीका सा है, थोड़ा अच्छा है. Mango stale. So this is mango stale. मैं ये नहीं खाने वाला क्योंकि he said कि उससे sore throat हो सकता है. So this is rambutan. Today. This is nice. It is juicy. Rambutan. I like rambutan. Rambutan is good. So this was our tour to the local fruit market.
The owner of this place, they have arranged this fantastic dinner for us, and we have with us this amazing ladies.
Hello.
So the dinner is all local and authentic food which they have prepared in their own kitchen. So हम कुछ खाते हैं और I'll get back to you later. दामुल्य से सिगिरिया कुछ 17 किलोमीटर है, तो हम सुबह ही निकल गए क्योंकि बाद में सिगिरिया में काफ़ी कड़ी धूप हो जाती है. So it's 5:30 in the morning and we are all set to climb Pidurangala. Pidurangala is a rock which is in front of the Lion Rock in Sigiriya. काफ़ी तगड़ी चढ़ाई है, लगभग 300 मीटर 300 मीटर्स हो गए, बट अभी भी हम ऊपर चढ़े नहीं. On this part जहाँ पे स्टेप्स ख़त्म हो जाती है वहाँ पे it becomes a little bit tricky as you have a lot of rocks over here. This is the famous Lion Rock of Sigiriya. There are two stories related to this place. The first story is about Ramayana, the Hindu epic. It is said there used to be Ravana's palace above the Lion Rock, and the rock we are standing on used to serve as an airport for Ravana's Viman.
दूसरी कहानी ऐसी है कि वहाँ पे there used to be a Buddhist monastery और यहाँ पे एक राजा था who wanted to build his castle over that rock. So he requested the monks that he will build a monastery on this rock for them, and he built a castle over there and a monastery for the monks over here. See, there is a big statue of resting Buddha over here. Yes, this were the houses or the place where monks used to live. There are many of them out here. This is a part where you can recognize that it was a monastery. This is the Pidurangala mountain rock, and this is the Lion Rock, Sigiriya. It is a very beautiful lake out here. Not much people come here.
So this was about Sigiriya. The next episode is going to be about a train journey from Kandy to Ella, which is one of the most beautiful train journeys in the world. तो तब तक के स्टे ट्यून्ड और मैं मिलता हूँ आपसे अगले एपिसोड में. बाय बाय.